Hi, I'm Craig Peterson with Dosatron and Dilution Solutions. Self-serve car wash operators are becoming more and more creative, adding new services to their wash bays, giving their customers more options and increased revenue stream to the operator. Unfortunately, during that time frame, for decades, very little has been done to change the chemical dosing equipment or improve it in the back room. Unreliable Venturi proportioners feeding bulky, space-killing tanks, using air diaphragm pumps that often freeze up when on the busiest day of the year, have been the only game in town. Well, today I'm here to tell you that you have a choice as a car wash operator. I'd like to introduce you to the new Dosatron low-pressure modular self-service car wash system. This system addresses all those issues that you always had to deal with. No more do you have to deal with orifice tips on a Venturi proportioner, changing tips, getting your fingers stained green and red and blue for days on end. Adjusting your chemical dilution is simple just by turning this collar up or down and lining it up with your desired concentration. You're done. The system is called on demand because you attach a city water line here. There's no chemical holding tank. Your mixed chemical goes out directly to the car wash bay. So let's say, as an example, this is a pre-soak system. You have your water line connected here. Your suction hose is attached at the bottom into your concentrate container. Somebody goes into bay number 1 and turns the rotary switch to pre-soak. This solenoid opens and that allows water to start flowing through the unit. As it does, that piston cycles up and down, drawing your chemical concentrate, mixing it internally, and sending it directly out to the bay. On demand, consistent chemical dosing each and every time. We call the system modular because we've added a hose barb on the discharge end of the water manifold. You've got a ball valve here that shuts it off, so when you want to add another system onto this one and continue on with another chemical, you simply add a jumper hose here and bring it to the inlet side of the next panel, open your ball valve, and you're good to go. Your Dosatron system also comes with pre-wired solenoids. We can have a set of solenoids just for a liquid application, or if this is for foaming, for example, a foam brush application, you can also add a bank of air solenoids to the panel. Pre-wired with a wire connector on top, ready to go. So in review, our system addresses all the problems that you've experienced with your old Venturi system. Consistent on-demand chemical dosing, easy, quick adjustment, onboard water manifold for easy expansion, pre-wired solenoids, ready to go. Thanks again for your time, and I definitely do appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. You can reach me directly at my cell. That's area code 847-612-5226. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.